If you get your paint directly from the store, you know, you won't have to do this, but if it's been setting a little while, you need to stir it up. What you need is your nail, and just go around the edges here. Just make you some little holes. A rubber band and stretch it around it here. That way when you dip your brush in the paint, you can wipe off the excess onto the rubber band. You'll drip right back into your paint can. These rubber lids here, they're made by Shoreline, and you can just stick it right. It fits most of the standard 1-gallon cans. Just take your hammer. So this way you don't make that much of a mess. And you can buy you one of these. It's something new I found. It's called a paintbrush cover. And if you're going to be painting a little bit later that day, just put your brush in here, seal it down, stick it in there, and zip it up as tight as you can get it. And this will last a couple hours at least. Guys, when you're painting with a custom color for like your living room or something, save some of your paint, put it in a jar and seal it up and label it, so that way you can do touch-ups if you have to. Buy these little throwaway brushes. They're called chip brushes. They're real cheap, and you can buy a box pretty cheap too if you're doing a lot. Some more duct tape to sturdy it up. Remember, you're going to be brushing with this. From cleaning your paint tray, you can buy these plastic liners here, or if you okay, when you're through painting, you need to clean your brush. Use some warm hot water. Get you some paper towels. Just wrap it up. Leave it sitting beside my sink. Old plastic Cool Whip containers or something similar to that, they're good to put paint in. So you know, say you're going to be painting just small parts of a house or a project in your garage, and then you can put a lid on it and you can keep it for a few days. You can't keep it indefinite in these. It's not real airtight, but it will do it for a few days. Lid from the bowls make a good paint palette.